Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you about how to clear others in your iPhone storage. So first let's check out how many storage has been occupied by others in my iPhone. So we will go and check out the iPhone storage. As you could see there is 5.38 GB that has been taken by others. This others include cache, logs, and other resources currently. These are basically the things you have used, so it maintains the record so you can get them back after some time, which are not generally important. And if someone tells you that if you offload the app then your this other storage will reduce, it is definitely wrong. That will not reduce your storage to that. So how to do that? So first say if you are not using some of the apps, like if you are not using, say I'm not using currently the iMovie app. I'm not using that. So you can remove that app. You have to delete that app so that the cache or other thing which are included to it will be get deleted. Say I have deleted it. Now I will check it at the last that how many of my other storage have been reduced. So the next method we will go to is you can also delete the storage by going to settings and then scroll down and Safari. From Safari you can search down and clear history and website data. If this seems appears to be gray, then you don't have to do that, but if it's in blue you have to tap it and you have to clear history and website data. Okay, so the next method is that you could also clear the some of the basic photos or iMessages apps, photos in the iMessages or videos. You can also delete that to clear the other storage. So now I have told you many methods to do that. So now let's check how many of our other storage have been reduced. So again I will go to storage, and from this I will go to, now it is 5.25 GB. It has been reduced to almost some of the content, but it might be reducing much more. So hope you would find this video helpful. You could also delete much of the data for the showing I have showed you that it may help you. Now you could also find so many of the other apps and things you won't delete and get your other storage reduced. So hope you like this video, subscribe to my channel and look out for more videos. Thank you.